Morning and welcome back to the New York session 2 for the day. It is 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and let's get started off with the Euro USD 4-hour chart. First of all, let's begin with gold because gold uh, limit order was placed after the last session, as we discussed, right? If you remember, so we had a limit order in place around the 35. Price is actually triggered right around that price, around 31, 35. I don't know how, but it went right up to 35 and boom, reversal, huge reversal downside. Now, just a moment before I talk further, let me just adjust the screen for you. All right, so what we were discussing was from 35 until 80. Now we've taken intraday profits already in gold with around 5,500 points in our kitty. Now this is what happens when we have a trigger like an NFP coming and when we are prepared already with the material. Okay, so for today we have booked profits in gold around 3080. Just in case if you haven't done yet, from 31.35 until now, price action is trading same around 3080. You might want to please take profits for intraday. I think the price action is done for the intraday. For the rest of the New York session, if I go by the experience, prices should oscillate or try and close somewhere between 31.35 and 30.70. All right, so all in all, if we look at what gold could be trying to do, it could be wave 1, potential wave 2 and ABC flat here. And if wave C is underway, then ideally C would unfold into 5 waves where we've got wave 1 here and then we get wave 2, 3, 4 and 5. So by the end of today, I think we should I think by the end of today we should get somewhere close to sorry, my battery was to be charged. I had to get up. So by the end of today, we should be somewhere close to 3110 or something like that. And the other reason why I believe so is if I take you guys on a weekly chart and flip the bar to a candle. Now, if you look at the candle, the weekly candle which is being produced, it is ideally producing a shooting star, or maybe it could produce an indecision. So if price action closes somewhere here, or maybe just around the 3095 or 3100 mark, I think it would be a perfect indecisive candle or indecision candle. Even here, a close even here would be a shooting star in the making. So two reasons for possibly believing that gold might remain or oscillate somewhere between now and 3100. Did you see prices testing the backside of the trend line, the Elliott channel line exactly? I mean, these channel lines or the trend lines are so sensitive. The hitting the backside of the channel line uh, and reversing very sharply lower. That is an amazing story that which we are seeing right now in gold happening, and it is gone exactly as per the script. All right. So going forward, I think if this is wave one of C, we should be seeing wave two of C materializing sometimes for the rest of the day. Today, somewhere around 3100 or possibly around 31.5, and then wave 3, 4, and 5. So by the next week, by Monday onwards, all right. So gold, this could be our single most highest intraday profit booking, where we went short around 31.35 and grabbed around 31, 30.80. All right, so let's remain flat for now, and we will take it on Monday again when price action provides another opportunity to go short around the 3100 mark. All right, so that is the story in gold. But looking at the daily chart now, either a triangle is materializing as wave 4, and if it is a triangle materializing as wave 4, prices won't drop much actually. But if it is wave 4 triangle, again, as prices won't drop much, it will oscillate between these two ranges for a while and push again towards the 3250 mark. All right, and that would be the completion or the termination of wave 5 at three different degrees. I repeat, minor wave 5, minute wave 5, and minute wave 5 respectively. All right, that's the story in gold. But it is, I've seen it happen many times when we are waiting for a particular high to be print, and the instrument reverses just one high ahead of that, just one layer ahead of that. And 3165 was an exact Fibonacci extension of the recent five-wave rally of the minute level, correct? You see that 3165 extension? There you go, 3141 and 3165 extension. So you never know if it is already topped, but we are keeping ourselves open. We are keeping our options open to both possibilities. Even if it is a top in place, we went short and we took some profits. Again, we are prepared to sell around 3100. All right, but you never know if prices are going to rush through the current price itself. That is a different story altogether. But tell you what, whether from now or from 3250, I think gold might be close to forming or carving a formidable top just in near future. All right, so be careful. We are not suggesting anything on the long side, but if you are, then please be careful. All right. Okay, let's begin or let's analyze Euro USD now. Euro again, expect some sideways action. All right, and with some sideways action today, maybe later today, we've got one more high to be left around the 1.123040 mark, possibly around 1.123040 mark to complete the week or maybe early next week. But all in all, the structure remains absolutely bullish for the euro, and it should be we should be comfortably trading at higher levels going forward. The overall target for euro bulls is to hit 1.16, 1.17 in the next few weeks, which we have in the April series to complete. All right, so please remain on the long side in the euro USD. Next story, we don't have much to discuss, but we will. The one big story was gold, which we have done. Now the next story is for the dollar index, and the dollar index is again oscillating a bit sideways right now, but one more low in the near term should be bringing prices close to 100, and a print below 100 or print around 99 would complete or terminate the minute wave 3, leaving us with yet another two waves, minute 4 and 5, minute 4 and 5 for the minute wave 3 and then 4 and 5 for the minute wave 5. So by the time all 5 waves are completed, we would be close to 95, 96 zone. All right. And the next last story for the session is pound. Again, it should be oscillating sideways. Okay, now pound is giving up. So maybe pound has topped out, and it a break below 28.80 would confirm that pound has topped out for at least for now, and it could possibly mean that there might be further setbacks or pullbacks around the corner. So for us, it's okay. We've been holding long positions from earlier, but if you just went long from the 2800 handle or close to 2870, maybe you might want to get out right now around the 3000 mark, and not risk getting stopped out, because prices have now dropped to the wave one, which should not have been the case if it was an impulse to be produced. So we just have to be a bit cautious in pound. I think that's not the story or case in the euro and the US dollar index, but at least in pound we can see that. Or you can take partial profits and remain at a break even, wait for one more high towards the 3300 handle going forward. All right. So these are the four stories that we've got interest in trading. The best one was gold today, where we could book profits in today, almost 5,500 points. So let's bring it a pause and let's keep it a short one right now, and we'll be back again Sunday 7 p.m. And if there is any change, we would be declaring it. And once again, thank you for being here. And until the next one, as always, please do take care and God bless. Goodbye.